Okay, after you download the file, the .aia, you need to install the rar winrar. Some link in the description below. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to extract this one. Right click, then extract here. And there's a password. By the way, the password is on the description below. Okay, this is the file. The file. .ai. I'm gonna import it here. My project. Um, import project. For my computer, choose file. No, not one. Can't open it. Then open. Okay, next I'm gonna show you how to edit this stuff. By the way, this is just an example. This one logo. Okay, I'm gonna start here in the components here in the top screen. Component, screen, then about screen. You can check it there. You can edit this Geek forever. Edit that one. Then of course the app name. You can change that one. The background image. Then you can check it. Can change the background image by uploading a file. There. Okay. The next one is the icon. Of course, the icon. Change the icon. Change the icon. And title. By the way, the title, this title, student handbook, it will show here. Here, this one. It's the title. Then your version of your app. After that one, we're gonna proceed in the logo here. The logo, that one. Changing the here. Your school name, address, number, contact number. Then the next one, just ignore this label. Just it's a space. Username, you can change that one through here. Okay, the user or username, it's up to you. Username, the password. By the way, you can change it. It's up to you. You can change your username, your login stuff. You can change your login or password through here in the blocks. Gotta check in the blocks. The code. Okay, here. Here. My username is admin. It's up to you. You can change that one in. Depend on you change the username, the password. Okay, let's back to the signer. Okay, next label. This password. Okay, very good. The button, the warning. Okay, just to change the stuff. Then let's go to the screen too. Screen too. The same. About screen, change that one. Background image. The title. Next, the logo. School name, address, number. And the button. It's up to you if you can change the name of the button. Change it here. The name here. There. Academic facilities. About. Okay, let's proceed to the screen 3. Okay, the screen 3. About screen, background image. Here the background image. Title, logo, school name, address, number. But then the zoom. You don't need to remove this one. Zoom out, the zoom in. To menu. The space, the label, the text. By the way, this text, you can change it. allows student handbook to access photo, media, and files on your device. You can check it. You can change it. By the way, this is just a warning. If this stuff, if the code did not read the actual file, this one I'm gonna show. Yeah, they must unload the. Um, okay, let's go to the blocks. Let's go to the blocks. Let's go to the blocks. The actual code here. This one you must change this one. It's up to you what text file you're gonna read. That one. It's a file reader. Okay. Screen for. Okay, the screen for about screen. Okay, image. Same. The logo. The image. But in the image, example, the title here. Title is computer laboratory, computer lab. You can change it there. Then the picture, actual photo of your laboratory. Then etc. It's up there. You're gonna change that one. That one. Everything is there. There's no such a code there. Proceed to screen 5. It's same to the screen 3. It's same to the screen 3 and 5. It's a warning. One. Change the file name. This code gonna read that file, that text. Okay guys, after that, you're gonna build your application build. This one, I'm gonna build it to QR code for that APK. Yeah. Okay, scan the QR code. By the way, you need to download an app. Okay, after you download it, open and install. Open. There you go. This is our app. Okay, press login. The name is admin. Oops, yeah, admin. There. Okay, check the academic. Then we must allow that one. Allow. That's my text. Okay, that text. Oh, you can edit that one. It's up there. You can zoom it. Zoom. Back to menu. Facilities. About. Okay, that's all, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, for more videos like this. Okay, see ya and peace out.